Just get a screwdriver. You want to pop this up. It's, believe it or not, this is just a little cap, and inside there is a wedge. And we need to get that out of there, and so I'm going to need a bigger tool. Okay, I pried it up, but that just does not look like it's good, but it works. Okay, so the wedge, looking down at it from the top, you see this. It's actually almost like a T-shape. It's like a track. So you put a screwdriver under each side like I just did, and you can pry it up. Now this will come twisted off.